Hello everyone. Welcome to the DevOps Camp. In this video we will be going through how to write your first program. First, open an IDE of your choice and create a blank Python file. I will be using PyCharm Community Edition. We will use the print command to write the first program. Print command will output what we needed on the console. Let's print the hello world string to the console. For that, write print, open parenthesis, and then, since we need to print a string into the console, write hello world inside inverted commas. You can use either single or double inverted commas. Then run the program. Now we can see hello world is printed on the console. You can try with any string you like. That's it for this video. Subscribe to DevOps Camp to get more tech videos. We will meet in the next video.